All right, look, in this video, I'm gonna talk to you about why I stopped buying meme coins, because I noticed something that you absolutely need to know, especially if you're buying and holding meme coins. So do me a favor, go inside the kitchen, grab your favorite beverage, whatever that may be, whether it's tea, whether it's coffee, milkshake, whatever tickles your pickle, come back, relax, and pay attention because this video is extremely important and we're starting right now.
Hey guys, I'm Pepe Coin. Remember, Paul is not a financial advisor, but he is good looking. Also, this is not financial advice. Please subscribe down below and check out my channel at Pepe Coin.
Hey, welcome back. My name is Paul, and this channel is all about crypto, all about cryptopreneurship. So check out the channel, check out the videos, see if that's something you like, and if yes, perhaps consider subscribing and hitting the bell notification button at the end of the video. Now, in this video, I want to talk to you about why I stopped buying meme coins. And when I say I stopped buying meme coins, that's a slight exaggeration. I am holding some meme coins, and sometimes I do buy some meme coins. I just don't do it that often, and I don't make videos about it anymore that often, and there's a reason for this. But I am holding some specific meme coins that I think are going to do astonishingly well and give massive amounts of profits, and I'll talk to you about them a little later in the video. I will tell you what they are, so make sure you watch till the end of this video. But why am I saying I've stopped buying meme coins in the most part? Well, it's very simple. See, if you watch this channel, you know we've been talking about Dogecoin forever before Elon Musk even got involved. We talked about Pepe before anybody knew about it. We made massive amounts of profits here. We even talked about Pepe Coin, took the trade as a trading play and also made massive amounts of profits. Heck, we even have a meme coin course. The link is in the description down below if you want to check out. But why did we stop talking about this? See, before it was very simple. You had meme coins on the Ethereum blockchain. Then they started going to the Solana blockchain and to other blockchains. The thing is that Ethereum fees were high. And because they were high, it made sense to actually buy meme coins or specific meme coins, hold them for a while because people wouldn't sell fast because of the fees, and make a profit. And while there was more and more meme coins coming to play, the game was pretty easy, I would say. Then meme coins started coming on the Solana chain, they started coming on Base, they started coming on a whole bunch of other chains here, and these were actually cheap. The fees were very low, so it made sense to buy these. But this was a double-edged sword because the fees were so cheap, it was very easy to get in and out, so everything became a lot faster. People got in and got out fast, making rugging more frequent. Not only that, but because the fees were so cheap, everybody and their mother started releasing meme coins. Everybody, everywhere you look. And if you look at who was releasing meme coins, it was actually quite interesting. See, most people were teenagers making meme coins and taking your money. Like, that was it. There were teenagers in their basement, in their house, wherever they were, just making meme coins over here, charging and taking profits. And because they didn't have any ambitions, these profits were small. It was a lot for them, don't get me wrong, but they were small for everybody else. So the meme coins really didn't last that long. Then you actually had companies making meme coins with AI using the same format over and over again, just meme coin after meme coin. You ever heard the term throw enough shit against the wall, some will stick? That's what they were doing. Same marketing, same everything. Thousands of meme coins every day, taking your Ethereum, taking your Solana, just robbing you blind. And not just that, but whales, they were the biggest ones involved because back then retail wasn't really coming into crypto and they had to find a way to expand their bag. So what did they do? They made meme coins to take your Ethereum, to take your Solana. It was very easy. They knew how to do it. Then everybody and their mother started making meme coins, and it just It was insane. You had crypto channels talking about how to do technical analysis and fundamental analysis on meme coins. There is no technical analysis and fundamental analysis on meme coins. There's no technical analysis because the meme coins were new. If they're new, there's no price history, so there's no technical analysis, which is insane. As oh, this meme coin just came out and it's been out for 1 week and look at the price, it broke support. What the hell are you talking about? If there's no price history, there's no price to go off of, there's no TA, there's no technical analysis you can do. It's constantly in blue sky breakout and price discovery. And you had other channels talking about fundamental analysis. What fundamental analysis? There's no utility, there's nothing. It's literally a meme. It's about community, which most was fake anyway, and whatever sounded good at the time. And while there was a play there, you could sort of look at where the whales are going and take advantage of it. Yes, there was a play there. It got ridiculous. It got ridiculous, and more times you would lose your money than make money. And for those of you that have been losing money anyway, it's the same shit, right? But for us that know how to make money or can make money, it was just a much harder game. It made more sense to get into cryptocurrencies, to get into altcoins at the time. Specifically, on dumps, you would get into AI coins, into layer ones, and of course into gaming and Bitcoin plays. But everybody was rugging everybody here with the meme coins. It doesn't make sense. When you have massive drops in the market, you don't go and you buy meme coins. No, you buy these coins over here that make sense, that are on discount, that actually have utility or some sort of chance to actually make you gains. The market reset recently, which we called, by the way, it reset and people were buying meme coins. These are all teenagers, like 15, 17-year-old kids making meme coins one after the other. Now, don't get me wrong, there's a place for meme coins. I love meme coins. I've been holding Doge forever. I was one of the channels telling you to buy Doge and accumulate Doge before the Elon Musk thing, and everybody was making fun of it, but we made massive amounts of profit. So there are plays in meme coins, but right now there are thousands of meme coins coming out daily, and everybody's scamming everybody. There's teams of people just putting meme coins after meme coin out. They're using AI generation. You can literally make a meme coin in under 30 minutes, 15 minutes if you know what you're doing. Even less than that if you're a pro. You can literally make a meme coin right now. There's nothing stopping you. So why should I put my money in this meme coin? The price might go up fast. What if there's no liquidity? As soon as somebody sells, it drops down to zero. Have you noticed that? Because there's no liquidity. They're just taking your ETH, taking your Solana, taking your whatever coin you're buying these meme coins with. So I stopped buying meme coins. I stopped making videos about meme coins because it was irresponsible of me to do that. Now, there are some meme coins that can do very well and that I am personally holding over time because I think they're going to do very well. And so far, this has played out. All these meme coins I'm going to talk to you about right now, I've talked about most of them before. There's some new ones in the mix. And even though every other meme coin went to almost zero out there, these ones are coming up and are doing well, and they actually might take off. So let me tell you what these ones are. So at least if you do get into meme coins, you don't get into complete crap, you just get into semi-crap, if you will. So what are the meme coins I'm holding that you may yourself want to hold? Number one, I mentioned it just earlier, is Dogecoin. Why? This is the king of meme coins. It's not pretending to be something it's not. It has a community, it has proof of concept, it's there, it's not going anywhere. In the future, we're gonna see DRC tokens. Those are tokens actually built on Dogecoin. There will be meme coins built on Doge at some point. Look out for that, but that's a future play. Right now, you just want to have Dogecoin in your portfolio as a blue chip. Think of it like the Bitcoin of meme coins. Then you want to have a play like Pepe. Now, Pepe Coin, we already made massive amounts of profits, but I did say that it was going to last and it's going to take market share from Shiba Inu. And so far, it's still around, still making gains, still fighting those charts, if you will. So Pepe might be a very good play to take market share from Shiba. Someone's gonna challenge Shiba Inu. It happens all the time. Solana challenged Ethereum. Pepe's gonna challenge Shiba Inu. Okay, so Pepe is another play you can make here. Dog with hat or whiff is another one that is still around that we made profits on, but we bought on the dip and I'm still holding just because of the uniqueness, because it's a dog, basically like this. This is a dog, okay? And it's wearing a hat, but it's a bit unique because it's like a real dog wearing a hat. I thought that was really cute. That's the utility. That's the fundamental analysis on meme coins like this, all right? It was something different. It wasn't just a piece of graphic. It was an actual picture, which was interesting. Then you have Brett, which we got in straight at the beginning. And the reason you want to get into Brett, it's because it's not really a meme coin play as much as it's a base chain play. Base is the chain from Coinbase, which I think is going to do very well. And one way to invest in it early would be to get into Brett when that released on Base. So that's another one you can get in. And with the same sort of philosophy, you can also get into Foxy as a linear play, the linear chain, which belongs and is backed by MetaMask. So if you believe in MetaMask, which is the industry standard, and you think linear might take off, Foxy is your bet here. We've done very well on all these. We've took profits. We're going to talk about a few more in just 1 second. But if you want to get in on these may actually be an opportunity. Now we can talk about meme coins on the BRC20 network and the SRC20 network, but we're going to be talking about these later on. These are like the DRC meme coins on Doge, but they're on Bitcoin. This one's actually inscribed, but let's talk about that later on. Another one you want to look at is Pepe right now. Why Pepe? What's so special about Pepe? Well, it's a play off of Pepe and it's from China. Does that matter? No, absolutely not. Does it make sense? No, not at all. It's just red instead of green. But because people are gonna speculate and try to justify this somehow, and people are gonna just get in to make profit, it's gonna become a self-fulfilling prophecy. So Pepe is another one to look at. Then you can do another one that kind of stood out to me. It's called Popcat. I think this stopped in its tracks as the market was down, as well as Pepe, and I think these have more upside. So these meme coins can do very well. They can absolutely crush it and make amazing gains. But if you notice, I took a venture capitalist sort of approach, meaning I invested in a bunch of meme coins and I just want one or two to blow up. Now, if meme coin mania or meme season comes and no specific coins blow up, then this portfolio is also designed to give me gains. Maybe not 100x, but it will still give me gains. So this is a meme coin portfolio, if you will, with a venture capitalist approach. Does that make sense? Now, if you want to get more into meme coins and dive more into meme coins, then you may want to watch this video right here. This also talks about SRC20, BRC20, and even DRC20 tokens, which I didn't talk about. That's you can really get in early on these ones, or check out this video right here. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.